In this video, we'll see how to upload a file in Node.js. So I have written a basic program which actually doesn't upload a file, but I've created the basic structure for that. So let's remove this as of now. So we are requiring this HTTP module, and then we are creating a server with a callback function named serve_func, and we are registering at port 8888. So whenever a request comes, this function will get executed. So in this function we are checking the URL. So if URL is /upload, then a message is displayed saying file uploaded, or else a form is returned. The form has some dummy field name and roll number, and a file upload control, and a submit button. So basically, when on hitting the submit button, the URL changes to /upload. That is the action. Hence, once we click on submit, this message is returned in the browser. So we'll see it. The file's name is FUP, so we'll write node, turn it as node fup.js. We started the server. So we are using it on the same machine, so we'll hit with localhost and 4 times hit. So this is the form that is being created by this part, and once we hit the submit, it should return file uploaded. Now there won't be any actual uploading of file, it's just the basic structure will change from here only. So clicking on upload, it says file uploaded. So for uploading a file, we'll need a module named formidable. That doesn't comes with Node.js, we have to import it from npm. So I have already imported it. I have it here inside my node module folder. If you don't have, you need to type npm install formidable in command prompt, and it will be installed. So since I have it, I'll use it in my code, where formidable equal to require formidable. So what this module basically does is, it's actually used for parsing a form. Like this is a form, so this module has APIs for parsing it, like getting all the fields and getting the path for the file that we are going to upload and all. So we'll create a new instance where form equal to formidable dot incoming form. So it will be an empty instance. We need to parse the request to get the form data, this form's data, into this variable. So this object will call form dot parse, and this parse method takes 2 arguments. The first one is request, from where it will parse the form, and the second argument has the second argument is a callback function, which in turn takes 3 arguments. So it's like this function. First argument is always error in Node.js, then second is fields, and the third is files. So let's change it a bit. We'll remove the response from file uploaded. Let's say we want to view what all things getting stored in these 2 variables, fields and files. So they are JSON objects, so we'll send the response as JSON. So 1 2 3 4 rest dot write head status code, and then content type. For JSON we have this type as application slash JSON. Okay, res dot write. We'll use the stringify method, stringify json dot stringify, and we'll stringify this fields as well as the files. We'll give a new line also. Okay, and then res dot end of response. So we have our code ready. We'll run it again. We'll break our old code. We'll run it again, and we'll hit the URL without slash upload. We have our form. Let's put some data into this. Let's choose a file as well which we want to. Let's say we want to upload this pom.xml and upload. So see what all things we are getting. From the fields variable we have these. See, we have printed the fields and the files. So fields JSON has actually the two fields that we had, the two text fields, roll number and name, and the files has the details about see, you will notice that here we have some path which is not the path that we had selected. It says something temp folder. So this parse method, what it actually does, it has actually uploaded the file also, and now it's in this folder. That is our temp folder. You can verify. See this, it's upload starting with 5F7, this one. The only thing that needs to be done is rename and convert it into proper format. So this was XML file. Now if you open, we're able to open it as XML file. So now the last step would be to rename this file, and for renaming we'll need the fs module which is inbuilt. So we'll just say var fs equal to require fs, and then now we don't need to display these JSONs again, so we'll remove these codes. Fs dot rename, and then the old path to new path. So let's define these old path and new path as well, where old path equal to where new path equal to. So from this JSON you can see that this is our path. How to obtain this data is, see, our file upload control has a name file chooser. So we'll go by hierarchy. So it will be files dot, here also you can see this is the files JSON. Then we need to navigate to file chooser and then to path. So files dot file chooser dot path. So this is our old path. What is the new path? New path is, if you want to rename it in the same place, all you need to do is just add .xml to the file name, but will not keep it in temp folder. We want to move it to some other folder. So for example, in this case we'll make a new folder named uploads. We'll take its entire path. So we'll have the new path as this. Yeah, but one thing you need to take care that you need to put double slashes, or else use a forward slash instead of backslash, or else this will give error. So uploads, then we need the plus, we need the file name. How to get the file name? Same way we got the old path. So from the JSON we can see there's a key called name where the file's name is here, pom.xml, this one. So it will be files.filechooser.name, right? Now this rename is also asynchronous method, so it will have a callback and it takes only one argument, that is error. So now our response will be based on error. If error, we'll say upload failed, else we'll say uploaded to, and we'll give the new path. Okay, so let's run our server again. It is running. So see, this time the uploaded file will be coming in our uploads folder, so we'll keep it open. Let's remove this /upload, hit the base URL, put some dummy name and roll number. Let's choose the same file again and hit upload. See, it got uploaded here. Now this upload happened from my computer to my computer. We didn't touch any other device. So how to do if we have to do the same thing in between two devices? Like suppose I want to upload from my phone to my computer, or if I want to upload from my one computer to another computer. So for that, all you need to do is you need to have have your phone as well as this laptop where this node is running connected to same network. You can have same Wi-Fi network or cable network, whatever, but it should be in same network. And then instead of localhost, the URL that you will be hitting will have the IP address of your computer. So let's say from your phone you are hitting, you need to enter ipconfig in your command prompt, get your IP address of your computer, and then hit that IP address, colon your port number without any upload, and then you will see the exactly same form in your phone or another computer. Then you can choose a file from that computer or that phone, and once you hit the upload there, the same file will be in your uploads folder. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts.